Okay, so today I start getting the rig prepped for this trip. I got to get the spare tire put on. I've got to get up on the roof and check out the antenna because I think it got tweaked way back in Mackinac, and it doesn't look really great. So I got to get up there and check it out and see what's going on with that. I got a new bike rack to put on the back. And we got to clean up that barbecue grill, and I got to re-level or recalibrate the auto levels. I'll probably have a separate video for that, only because, you know, that's a video that people will probably want to watch and not have to watch all this other stuff. So, but yeah, we'll talk about that a little bit. So anyways, here we go. Dawn was talking about wanting to not feel so cluttered, not feel so overwhelmed with furniture. She's in there vacuuming up now, but she came up with the idea, well, let's get rid of some of the chairs for the dining table. And that parlayed into, let's get rid of the dining table and 3 chairs and put in a desk. So yesterday we went to Office Max. I got this desk that I get to put together today. It's going to go into the space where the dining table was. And the dining table I was able to take apart, as you see. And I was able to, we're going to be putting that into storage with 3 of the chairs. I'm going to keep 1 chair back for now. But I got a feeling I'm probably going to want an office chair of some sort that swivels. Because you got to have a swiveling office chair if you got an office desk, right? Anyways, but right now we'll keep the 1 chair. So I did get, well, as you see, we did get the tire changed, but I did not get anything else done yesterday. It just got too hot too fast. So if I get this desk together, I'll probably go ahead and do the bicycle rack next, and then I'll probably wait for the antenna tomorrow because Dawn has to leave here in a little bit. So here we go. This is a much bigger space than you would think. It's actually 6 feet wide by almost 4 feet deep. Yeah. So, yeah, we're in our work clothes and work hair today, so don't mind that.
Okay. Here's a mess. Just wash it. Don't blow dry it. I don't care.
So let the build begin.
This is an IKEA build, as you can see. It's not an IKEA thing, but
workstation complete. Now Dawn has to clean her mess, and we're good in here.
Yay.
This thing is really heavy, though I am going to try to figure out a way to tie it down during travel, though I don't think that thing's going anywhere. And after feeling the weight of the extra chairs and the table, I think we just swapped weights. So I don't think there's any additional weight to the rig, and my hair's all over the place. It is, yeah, it's been a bit of a sweaty morning. Okay, so this took longer than I thought, so I might get to the bike racks this evening.
Yeah, this evening maybe.
We still have quite a few days before we have to go, so. we're taking advantage of this day. It's a heat warning day. It's going to be pretty hot today, but we're fairly early in the morning. I'm going to be putting together a bike rack and getting that set up. One more step. We still have a lot more to go, but here's one more step to being ready to go. Okay, I will be getting to my bungee cords. I think one more bungee on it should work. We got the great straps. We've had a problem with people getting bicycles stolen here in this park. So I actually have a 3-lock system. In this case, I lock the front wheels. I have a strap coming around the side on the front. There's a lock, heavy lock in the middle to the big bar. Another lock and another strap on the back. My only concern is, as it's rocking, I don't want that hitting the rig. I have to really push hard to rock it, but I made a bungee cord to go around the bike frames and hook to this hoop here, and that'll keep it from, or maybe not a bungee, but a stronger tie that'll keep it from rocking that far. So we're good. We're all locked up. We're good to go. Okay, probably look a mess. It's important that if you are working in heat conditions, take a lot of breaks, drink a lot of water. Man, it was hot out there. As little as I was out there, I am just drenched, and I'll probably drink about 2 of these down. Yeah, when I changed the tire, I was on the verge of not heat stroke, that's the serious one where you pass out, but just before that. And you got to make sure that you really monitor your water intake and just really take it easy in between. I'm inside, air conditioned, we should be good. I think the roof is going to wait one more day, tomorrow morning, early. I think I'm going to set my alarm and get up and do it like at 6 a.m. But yeah, we're going to, bikes are secure. I just got to get that one last strap, and we're one more step closer to leaving next week. So we finished up with the bike rack. Let's go and take a look. Went out and got a couple of new straps. So we've got these really cool heavy duty straps that are holding them down front to back. I used one of the black straps that came with it to hold it from moving toward the rig. So that's basically locking it to this pole right here. And then I had one extra strap, so I thought, what the heck? If it's worth doing, it's worth overdoing. So I have a strap that's actually holding the frames down in the middle as well. So this is not going anywhere. That whole platform needs to fall off before we lose the bikes this time. All right, next job was cleaning the grill, and Dawn picked up the Citrus Safe barbecue grill cleaner. You see it? Yep, I hope you can see it. Citrus Safe barbecue cleaner. It smells like oranges. I love it. And you can actually use this, wipe it down, and cook on it because it's all organic. It gives your steaks a nice citrusy taste. No, I doubt that. You don't cook it with it on there, but it cleaned up really nice. There's still a little bit of residue, but it's good enough for the undercarriage. Still a little bit of residue, but to be honest, that's kind of caked in. Before I pack it and put it away, I'll probably do a once over and then burn it off as well, and that should do the trick. Underneath the grill is really clean. That's all the way back down to, well, some of the paint stripped off, but still it's all the way down to the paint and metal. So one more thing down. Tomorrow morning I'm setting my alarm. We're going on the roof. Yeah, we're gonna do the roof. So not happy about that. I hate the roof, but if you saw the video at the beginning, there's something either tweaked or broken up there I got to take care of. So we're getting down to the last of it. Only a few more things to do, and we will be ready to roll. So yeah, it's time to go up on the roof, to try to get this done. So we got a little bit of daylight left. Hopefully we'll get it all done. I hate this. This is not one of my favorite things to do. Yeah, up there.
Okay, yeah.
A bit embarrassing getting up on the roof. I'm a little too old, a little too heavy, and there are no handholds. Dawn is down there filming me. Let's take a look at this thing. The roof looks great. Well, this is loose. This is really loose. I can't quite tell what's going on there. Okay, I think I got it fixed. It looks like that it was kind of got pulled up from those branches and it was kind of flopping forward, but it seems to be level now. So I think we're going to be okay. I am out of breath. It's fixed. I am making a pledge to all my YouTube viewers. I am going on a diet. This is not a joke. This is serious. I'm going to get healthy this summer, and I'm going to pledge to get this weight off, and for as long as it takes, and keep it off. So follow me on my plan, because truthfully, that is just not right. I should not have that much trouble getting up and down off of that ladder and off of that roof, and it really does have to do with weight. My pledge. So follow me and keep me accountable. Okay, so toss the ice cream, toss the cookies, not literally or figuratively, literally, yeah. So that's about it. One more thing checked off the list. It looks like the antenna is fixed. I'm hoping. We'll see what it looks like when we get inside. Make sure the TV is still working. And then we just have a couple of things left to go. Sanitize the water tank is probably going to be next. We're down to the last couple of items that need to get taken care of. And I got a tractor going by. Today I'm going to go. Now we got a jet flying over. They're far enough away. We're good. I got the water to sanitize, and fresh water. You can go back to that episode and see exactly how that's done. The leveling, we're going to wait till we get to Las Vegas to level the rig, because we will be on a cement slab instead of gravel. I think we'll have a better chance of getting an accurate reading that way. And propane tanks, but I don't think you need to go with me on that trip. We're just running down the street to get the propane tanks filled. So after I sanitize the tanks and get the propane, we're done. So Dawn and I have gone through the rig from the nose to the tail inside, and we have repacked all the dishes, repacked all the books, all the extra stuff that we have in there to make sure it is all secure. We had to go cupboard by cupboard to make sure that happened. We did a lot more downsizing, and truthfully the very last thing before we pull out, probably the day before we pull out, is we're going to get everything packed up, make sure there's room for everything, and if there's one last chance to dump anything into storage, we'll do it then. So we are ready to roll. We'll be ending this episode here. So glad you came along with us on this journey of purging and cleaning and building and packing. And if you like this, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that notification bell. It'll let you know every time we post, which is every Sunday at 2 o'clock. Give me the thumbs up, and also hit the subscription. Now, a lot of people are confused about the subscription. If you're finding this on Facebook, I need you to go to YouTube, look up Our Road to Camelot, and subscribe. We really need to push the subscriptions up. We appreciate everything you guys are doing and following us and watching our adventure. And we love all you guys. So this has really been an awesome and fun experience. So that's it. Safe travels, and see you on the road.